In this
Yes.
chapter, your topic's name is further on CSS3. So first we will learn about what is the meaning of CSS and why we are using CSS. Listen, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Okay. In HTML, we are using HTML for creating the web page. But
Yes, sir.
web page we are creating with the help of HTML. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But
Yes, sir.
Yes,
how
sir.
to create attractive web page, how to create attractive, how to create design web page. Okay, so if
Yes.
any person will open your web page, then they will attract with your web page. So how to be attract, how to create attractive web page. So if you want to create attractive web page, then we
Morning,
will
sir.
use CSS. Good morning. So then we will use CSS, yani cascading style sheets. So cascading style sheets is used for creating the attractive design, attractive web page. Okay, okay, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But how to we create attractive design web page? So in design web, attractive web, if you want to create attractive web page, then there first, if you your text color is different, just like your topic written in different color, your answer written in different color,
Type
your text
this
is text color, size of the text color is different,
टाइपिंग स्टाइल सर, टाइपिंग फॉन्ट
or
स्टाइल। सर आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है,
in
वाइब्रेट हो रहा है।
Yes.
so that is the network problem. Okay,
यस सर,
network
बीच
problem.
बीच
Then
में रुक जा रहा है।
okay, listen. So we will use text color. We will use different design just like italic, font,
फॉन्ट
boldness. है
स्टाइल।
ना? If you see
यस सर, टूल्स।
bold style. Yes. If you want to use background color will change in different way. Then we will use size of the border. So each and everything we will use. Then your web page will be attractive. Okay, your web page
यस
will
सर,
be attractive. Okay,
अट्रैक्टिव। यस
so
सर।
yes, so CSS already given in fact. Okay,
यस सर।
okay, friends, any problem here?
नो सर।
So in topics, dear students, first your topic's name is inline style. What do you mean by inline style? Listen, if you want to create any web page, then first is your title, your heading is must. Yes,
यस सर।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
means if you want to create web page, any topic, then first heading, first title, you will create in attractive way, you will create in different way, then we will use inline style. Okay, so with the help of inline style, we will define uniquely, we will use uniquely styles for designing the web page, for creating the web page, है ना? Then we will use inline style. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
यस
So
सर।
here given title. Here given title. So title here given. Title here given here inline and title close, head close in body parts here given H1. H1 here given a styles. So your style is here color red. Okay. Means your text color will be first here in red. Okay. Any problem here, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Next is given text align center. Text align centers means your text will come in center parts. Okay, your text will come on center parts. Then we will use
Yes, sir.
center. Okay, any problem here?
No, sir.
No.
No,
Next
sir.
points. Here given a style color is blue and here text given this is a paragraph. So this is a paragraph comes in left side. Okay. Why comes in left side? Here given in not instructions given. Then without instructions then your text comes from left side. Okay. By default they will start from left side. Any problem?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
So this is the techniques for creating the headings title of the web page with the help of inline style. Any problem, dear students?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Next year given text properties. What is the new topic's name?
Text property.
Text property.
Properties. Yeah. In text property, what is the already written here? Text properties means your text color will be changed. Your text size will be changed. Your
Sir.
text. Yes.
सर आज तक को माइक म्यूट करने के लिए कहीं इसकी तरफ से बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आता है घर करके.
Yes. Or dear students, everyone mute the sound. Okay. Mic, please mute it. Okay. So text properties give a facility to change the text color, change the text directions, change the text size, just like bold fonts, change the text font, etc. So then we will use text properties. In text properties, first here given set the text color. What is the first? Set the text color. So
Text
here
color.
according to the name, yes, according to the name text color, if you want to changing the text color, if you want to change the color of the text during designing the web page, if you want to change, then we will use set the text color. Okay. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after how to be changed? So here one syntax given, one codings given. So coding in coding, everyone look in page number 144. Here given HTML. HTML is defining for we are writing coding in HTML. Okay, we are developing coding in HTML. Then here written head for heading, and in heading, what is the title of our web page? Here title given in line. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And then head should be closed here. After head should be closed, then start body parts. In body parts, what you want to do? So here is given P styles. P for paragraph style. It means if you want to change the paragraph, color, size, anything. So first we will start P style. So here P style is equal to color. What given? Color.
Color.
Means
P for pen.
P, yes, P style is
Pen.
defining for paragraph style, and after written paragraph style, here color means your paragraph
Pen.
color should be changed. So how
Yes.
to be changed? In which color will be changed? Here written in green. Okay, so your paragraph's color will comes in green. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So what is your paragraph? Your paragraph is here given. This is a paragraph written in green. What your statements given here? Your sentence given here. This is a paragraph written in green. So this statement, this sentence will come in green color. Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any problem here?
No,
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
And then your paragraphs color will comes in green. So this way we will change the color of the text. All of you understood?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay. Next topic's name is set the text direction. Every times you are looking, some text written in horizontal way, some text
Yes,
written in vertical way. Yes?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So text direction properties is used for set the direction of the text according to usage. Just like if you want to set the text in the right side, if you want to the text in left side, if you want to text in top, bottom, etc., then we will use the set the text direction properties. So here one examples given here, students. Here one more things. Here values, two values are given, LTR and RTL. What is the meaning of LTR? Left text rolling written and left or right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here coding given, students, go in body parts. Here body parts coding. P a style color is green. Means your text color comes in green color. Okay.
Green color.
And after
Yes, sir.
after one properties, second properties are started here. Direction properties also here given. So your direction is given RTL. Yani RTL means right text line. Okay. So your paragraphs comes in right direction. In green color, right direction. So automatically here comes in right direction in green color. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And then body close and then HTML close. So I think all of you understood about this.
Yes, sir.
Any problem, my dear students?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Good students. Next topic I am starting. Set the space between character. First know about what is character. In English alphabets, we are using 26 character for writing the English letter, English words, anything? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
student?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here we will here given a space between characters. Suppose your name is Sahil. Your name is Sahil. So a space between character means S, a space H, a space I, a space L. Okay. So this is the meaning of a space between the character. Understood,
Yes.
Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Understood, Sahil? Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, very good. And so, how do we use a space between the character? Listen carefully. If you want to use a space between the character, simply use later a spacing and given value. Later a spacing, है ना, is used for a space the text between character. Okay, but here
Yes, sir.
value means
सर सर जैसे किसी का
yeah.
नेम है तो उसमें ए, जैसे किसी का नेम है तो ए है तो ए स्पेस करके उसके बाद उसी को ना लेटर ऐसे करते हैं.
Yes, yes. जैसे अभी मैं बताया, suppose your name is Ananya, then how to we use a later a space, how to we use a space between character. So first your name, first character your A, then a space, then N, then a space a space N, a space Y, a space A. Okay.
Yes, sir. We understand.
Yes,
We
sir.
understand.
So this is the meaning of a space character, a space between character. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next point. So if you want to create a space between the character, then we will use later a spacing. So after later a spacing, then we will use value. Value. Why we are using value? Value is using for a space. Some some students want to more space, then more value will put. Some student want to less space, then less value will put. Just like 2 pixel, 20 pixels it is. So according to fix, you create the space between the letter. Okay,
Yes, sir.
between the text character. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So come in here given, here box given, in box one programming is given. So here written P style. P style means paragraph style. Color is green. Direction RTL, and later a space P. A spacing letter given. So a spacing letter. What a spacing? What a space? What is the value of a space? 5 pixels given.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
If you will put 10, then more space will come. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the meaning of creating a space between character. Next point, students. Yes. Set the space between words. Same things here. Same thing here, but simply is different. There is character and here is word. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that place we are using later spacing, but here we will use word spacing, and here same values. So according to the usage, you will put the space between word. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So next topic I will start.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next topic's name is set the text indent. First know about indent, student. First know about indent. If you want to start any line, any statement, any sentence you want to start on page, then some margins already given from the left side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
आप लोग एग्जाम देते होंगे तो आप लोग देखते होंगे कि लेफ्ट साइड में एक लाइन होती है, उस लाइन से हम लोग थोड़ा सा छोड़ करके लिखते हैं.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So indent is also using for indent in the properties used for in the text the first line of the paragraph. Okay. हम लोग फर्स्ट लाइन से ही थोड़ा छोड़ कर लिखते हैं, है ना? So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
meaning of indent. Here syntax given text indent and value means why we are value already discussed. Value is used for creating the space, है ना, between the first from the first line. Then we will use text indent properties. Any problem, dear students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Next, dear students, set the text alignment. What do you mean by alignment? What is the meaning of alignment? Listen carefully. If you want to write any text, any paragraph in left side, right side, center part, or justify, means in alignment, we will want to write any text in left side of the paragraph, right side of the paragraph, center of the paragraph, or justify. Then we will use alignment, text alignment properties. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
problem?
sir. No, sir.
So here four values are given: left, right, center, and justify. What is the syntax of this property? Simple text alignment here. So write text, align, clone, value. So four values are given here: left value, right value, justify value, or center value. Then we will use. Then we will create right text in left side, right side, center part. Okay. Okay, my dear students.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next topic's name is decorating the text. Okay, very important topic. Decorating. So if you want to create designs, if you want to decorate the text, you are, everyone are decorating the text in our classroom
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
on the blackboard.
Yes, sir.
Yes, same things here. Decorating means arrangement the text in different way. So we will use in decorating the text just like underline, overline, a strike through the text. So all these are the properties of the decorating the text. So already output given here. Output given. Any problem? Then tell me. If problem, then tell me. Okay. So here underline properties given. Overline. Underline means below the text. Overline means above the text. Okay. And
Yes.
of the text. And without lines, all these properties are given. So next properties name, set the text cases. Text transform properties means what is the meaning of text transform property? Sometimes every time you are creating pair copy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
in pair copy, sometimes you are writing in capital letter, sometimes
Yes,
you are
sir.
writing in capital with a small.
Yes, sir.
So
Starting,
this
we are
property,
write a capital letter in starting.
yes, yes. So these properties is using for different properties. Just like if you want to start any text in capitalize, uppercase or lowercase. Uppercase means capital letter, lowercase means a small letter, and capitalize means first letter is your capital, then after a small. Okay, first
Yes, sir.
letter of the word is capital,
Yes,
then
sir.
a small. So look here, output given in page number 148. Output given.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Given.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next is the set the text shadow. Next the set text shadow.
Yes, sir. है पेज नंबर वो 148 में.
Sir.
Yes, sir. है पेज नंबर 148 में. Text the shadow. Set the text shadow.
Yes, sir.
सर कहाँ चले गए?
Hello, sir.
सर माइक
Hello.
ऑफ किए मेरी. सर सर नहीं सुन रहे सर.
1 minute, student. 1 minute.
ओके सर. अनुज सर
Yes.
तुम सही में 7 के में हो
हाँ.
हेलो,
तुम्हारा यस सर
Yes, sir.
what do you mean by text shadow?
What do you mean by the text shadow is a property is used to set the text shadow around a text.
Yes, very good. Okay, dear students, now you are sitting anywhere. Anywhere you are sitting,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
your shadow is creating.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
It's
sir.
front light and shadow is back, and back light and shadow is come in front.
Yes. So your shadow, which color shadow?
Black.
Black.
Black. Yes, very good. But in computer, in CSS, if you want to create shadow in different color, then we will put the value red, green, anywhere. Okay, any colors. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So here four types of values, three types of values given, and one is none. H shadow for horizontal shadow, V shadow for vertical, and next is color. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes.
shadow color is using for creating the different shadow on the text. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आज के लिए इतने ही रहने देते हैं स्टूडेंट्स.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
आप
Thank
लोगों
you,
से
sir. Bye,
ये सब
sir.
क्लियर है? यस.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. मेरा पूरा कंप्लीट है कंप्यूटर में 1 2 और 7 कंप्लीट है नोट्स.
सर
यस, हाँ बोलिए.
सर 7 चैप्टर सेंड कर दीजिएगा ना एक्सरसाइज.
सर
ओके, ओके,
सर एक
सर.
बात
हाँ
ये लोग
बोलिए.
खुद से बनाना चाहती नहीं सर. इसमें सर पढ़ा दिए बस इसका सारा क्वेश्चन सर बुक में ही मिल जाता है. ढूंढने का कोशिश करे तो सर हम सारा बुक से ही खुद से बनाए किसी का बिना किसी के हेल्प से.
सर सेंड
Yes,
कर
sir.
दीजिएगा ना.
Okay, okay, okay. Dear students, first,
Yes.
if you want to try, then all question will completed.
Yes,
So
sir.
one
Yes,
more
sir.
time. First you will try na, then I will help you. Okay.
यस हमको
Yes, sir.
कंफ्यूजन होता है तो हम सर से पूछते हैं और हम पूरा सारा खुद से बनाए हैं.
हाँ, सुनिए, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा स्टूडेंट ना, हम सभी क्वेश्चन आपको सोल्व करवा देंगे, ठीक है. लेकिन
Yes,
पहले
sir.
खुद से भी करना चाहिए ना, है ना.
यस सर.
सर बनाए
बस आप
मिलता है नहीं है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स ये सब.
नहीं सर मिल जाता है सर बुक
ओके,
में ही
ओके.
सारा रहता
Sir,
है.
देगा.
ओके, मैं सेंड कर दूंगा, ठीक है.
ओके सर.
Yes, sir.
अभी मैं चैप्टर 1 का सेंड कर दे रहा हूँ, देखता हूँ उसमें लिखा हुआ रहेगा तो चैप्टर 7 भी सेंड कर दूंगा. ओके.
यस सर.
ओके सर.
आप लोग ओपन कीजिए तो चैप्टर 7.
यस सर. चैप्टर 7.
हाँ,
यस सर.
सर सर ओपन कर लिए चैप्टर 7.
एवरीवन नाउ ओपन चैप्टर 7. ओके.
यस सर.
Yes,
फिल
sir.
अप भी है बुक में.
यस, चैप्टर 7, पेज नंबर 1.
139.
राइट आंसर.
Yes,
यस,
sir.
राइट आंसर. प्लीज राइट डाउन.
सर आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
अभी मैं
वाइब्रेट हो
बोल
जा
ही
रहा
नहीं
है.
रहा हूँ, फिर आवाज आ रहा है.
नो सर अभी आप बोले ना तो वाइब्रेट हो रहा है. यस सर नाउ कमिंग.
Sir, 2 minutes.
10.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
First start and
And
end.
end.
Okay.
Second browsers.
Browsers.
Yes sir browsers.
Third tags.
Tags. Fourth
Yes.
HTML. Fourth
Very
HTML.
good.
Fifth है
Fifth,
Sir.
door
fifth editor and browser.
browser. फिर
Yes, sir.
sixth empty.
Sir, and
Sixth empty. Empty.
Yes.
और ट्रू
All
फॉल्स में
repeating
फर्स्ट
it?
फॉल्स,
First false.
Okay, just wait. First
Yes, sir.
false,
सेकंड फॉल्स,
second
Second
false,
false.
थर्ड ट्रू,
third true,
फोर्थ ट्रू,
Fourth true.
fourth,
यस सर, और फिफ्थ भी ट्रू,
fifth true, fifth false,
False.
और सिक्स
And
ट्रू।
Yes.
sixth true.
sixth true. Written.
Yes,
यस सर,
sir.
फिर मल्टीपल चॉइस में होगा सी नंबर होगा,
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट का सी।
First C type.
लग रहा है ट्रेन छूट रही है।
सर नहीं टेंशन रही है।
No, sir.
Okay. C section. First C,
सेकंड बी,
Second B.
second B,
थर्ड ए,
third A,
फोर्थ
fourth
D.
B,
और
fifth
और
C,
ई और सिक्स डी।
sixth
Yes.
D. Okay, very good, Ananya.
क्वेश्चन से बना हुआ है, जैसे मैं क्वेश्चन से सब बना लिया।
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन आंसर सब बन जाएगा।
यस सर,
sir.
वेकेशन से पहले ही बना दिए थे, जब चैप्टर स्टार्ट की उसी दिन में कंप्लीट हो गया था।
Sir, I also.
Okay, very good.
आज चैप्टर 8
इतने ही
कंप्लीट कर
रखते हैं।
यस सर,
So, thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
और चलेगा। ए साक्षी, साक्षी,
हाँ।
अंकिता को बता देना। पता है कितना बेवकूफ है, पूछती है ना कि ना सर अभी कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा रहे, कितना दिन ये जुड़ रही है क्लास में, पता नहीं लगता कि हिंदी के बुक निकाल के बैठती होगी साइंस टाइम। पागल हो गई थी। कहते हैं देखो लास्ट में ना लिख ले हैं हम, और एक और कौन तो सानू मिश्रा कौन सा था लिखा, और अंत में वही दोनों निकला था। अब तो मैथ्स क्लास बाकी है।